Hi everybody, it's the MudaeYuuki once again giving you guys a different video for today. Today, I want to announce a new project in terms of the Mudae Bot game, and that is called the MudaeYuuki channel. Now, if you guys remember, when I started this channel, this was a gaming channel. This main channel, MudaeYuuki channel, was a gaming channel before that one video that changed everything, most likely. And that was the Mudae Bot tutorial that I started doing way back in 2 years ago. The how to play the Mudae game, 53 minutes long, but it's the video that changed everything for my channel at the time. And I started making tutorials for the Mudae Bot game, and all of a sudden it started blowing up a bit. And I decided, you know what? I'm making tutorials for this game. And it works. It actually works. So then I decided to do a quick reaction poll recently on my Discord, which I want to show you guys right now, so you guys can see what's going on there. And I am thinking of doing a Discord for this channel. So here we go. So this Discord here is the one that you guys know for. So quick reaction question: should I make a YouTube channel for only the Mudae Bot? I have one lineup called MudaeYuuki just in case. Thumbs up for yes or thumbs down for no. 5 people said yes. I decided, you know what, let's go for it. And then later on that day, I decided to give you guys a little bit of an information here. How it's going to work. It's going to be called MudaeYuuki, which I'm going to show you guys in a moment. Videos already done in the MudaeYuuki channel will be over there too. I'm going to port some of them over. Live streams editions will stay on the channel, on the main channel for the moment. Q&A sessions will be done there, live Q&A if you guys need it. New Discord, yes, there will be a Discord server, and I'm going to show you guys that in just a moment. I haven't made the server in terms of like what's going to be in it, like the channels, but for sure I'm going to start putting stuff in there. So get ready for that. So let's go back to my main YouTube channel to give you guys which tutorials will be over there once I start putting the channel in play. And that is going to be right around here. Right around here. So when we go back here, you're going to see that. So definitely this one will be in there. But I'm going to make a new one, like a new overview. The 53 minutes is way too long. The only reason why I did it 53 minutes was because it was my first like big video on this main channel that actually didn't made something happen. But I am going to break it down into like 10 minutes or less, 15 minutes or less, or something like that. Then moderation commands will be there. Waifu Arena might be in there. Imager, how to use the Kakera system, anything for moderation will be in there. Mudae keys, Kakera loots, basic game commands, premium server notes, all that good stuff. How to play the Rocket Casino, Kakera Tower, the slash commands might be in there, and all this good stuff will be in there. Now the live streams, I'm going to do live streams on that channel too, but I'm going to like schedule them in a way that makes it easier for you guys to follow. Okay? Now keep in mind, on the MudaeYuuki channel, it's only the MudaeYuuki. It's only Mudae game. There's no Laifu. There's no Karuta. There's no other bots. It's just a Mudae game so that you guys can have your own fun in there. Okay? But I'm still going to use the main channel for Rinbot, Karuta Bot, Sumo Bot, Laifu Bot. I'm still working on tutorials for this. Anything gaming with Shadow will still be on the main channel. Everything doesn't change. Nothing changes here on the main channel. The only difference with the MudaeYuuki is only Mudae Bot. That's it. Okay? But everything here on my main channel will stay. And I'm still gonna update the Mudae Bot tutorials here. I'm just gonna put Mudae Bot only on that MudaeYuuki channel. Speaking of the MudaeYuuki channel, it's actually up. The only difference is there's nothing here. There's actually nothing here yet. Well, there is something, but it's mainly talking about my other channels that I do. There's actually another channel on the way for gaming, but I'm not going to talk about it here. I'll save that for later tonight. Okay? So, here's how it's going to work. So, I have for you a little friend of mine, and my friend is called the Let's View. Let me show you how this is going to work. Let me just turn it on here. Here we go. So Let's View allows me to draw stuff. And drawing works like this. So I can just draw a circle and like that. Very clear the circle, we don't need circles. So here's what's gonna be in here. I'm gonna put in the notes here. So tutorials. So Mudae tutorials will be in there. We have the state of Mudae videos. That's the one where I do updates every month. We have update videos, which is the one for Mudae Bot updates / events. We will also have Q&A sessions, and this is going to be live and non-live. So like I'll give you a video where I'm going to let you post questions on that video for the comment section, and then I'm going to answer a few of them in that particular video. And if you have a live question you want me to answer, then I'll do those live. Okay? We will also have tips and tricks. That's going to be a separate category, and anything related to Mudae Bot, like events, contests, if you guys are into that, etc. So that's what's going to be on that particular this particular channel. Okay? Now, of course, if you guys like my other material, like the gaming, VR chat, and all that good stuff, I'm still going to be posting the channels, but I'm not going to be posting videos here. Just the Mudae Bot, okay? So that's what's going to happen for this one. All right. Now I want to show you guys the server for the channel. Now keep in mind there's nothing here yet. There's actually nothing here when I show you this, because I just made this a few hours ago. So there's nothing here, like really, yet. So this is the server here. When I posted it here, there we go. Here we go. So there's nothing here. The only member is me, because I just made this a few minutes ago. But what's going to be in here is the stuff from the channel, the guides, and all that good stuff. Now keep in mind that the new videos will be starting here, starting today. I'm gonna post some. I'm not gonna port everything today. There's no way. But I'm gonna start posting some stuff here. As far as like the original server, I'm not going to remove that. That's gonna stay. But I will start using the server as well for Mudae Bot material. So if you guys are interested, I will be posting both links in the description below so that you guys can join in. Now keep in mind, the new server does not start until I start posting videos on the new channel. Okay? That's all I have for you guys for now, guys. I hope you guys will support this project. And if you have any questions about anything Mudae, let me know. I'll answer them, and most likely you're going to get your question answered once I post the videos on that new channel, okay? That's all for now, guys. I hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see you guys soon. Yo.